directions first, because clearly I didn't. Coincrumbs. I feel like these names are recycled from previous boards. The ogre mustn't catch the hero, escape from the store. Can you escape from the storeroom without being caught by the ogre guard? I think so, but let's talk about, first of all, why is this window capture not... Let's fix something real quick, because I feel like... There we go. We'll just do that. I am confused. Oh well, whatever. What if we stretch it to screen? How did this even get this way? That even look good? Whatever. Alright. Follow the trail of coins to the red X at the exit. So we're gonna follow the coins all the way there. What? Follow the trail of coins to the... So if there's an item, we're gonna find the nearest item. This is the item position. Item X. Okay. Hero, move. No. So I feel like I want my variables to be item X and item Y. That way, since we're in a while loop, it can just continuously look for each item versus having to locate each coordinate of all the items. So that's what I'm assuming here. Where's the thing at? So it's while true. We have the variable item, which is the hero. The function that or the method that we have on here is for the hero to find the nearest item. So if the item is in the item of whatever the position is, and then X and Y, we're gonna move. That's what we're gonna do. Whee! Is he my friend or is he chasing me? Like, what's going on? Yay, we did it!